Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Humaira, and today I want to talk about something that trips up almost every business owner who are running ads. There are so many ads which are getting clicks, but the phone is not ringing. That means people are clicking, but they are not converting into customers. If the problem sounds like that, then there is nothing to worry about. This doesn't mean your ads are bad. It means there is a gap somewhere between the click and the sale. And today I am going to show you exactly where the gap is hiding. Click are the easiest metric to win and the least meaningful one to celebrate. A click just means someone was curious. A sale means someone was convinced. These are the two completely different jobs, and the most ad accounts only do the first one very well. Let's talk about the 7 real reasons your clicks are not turning into sales. Number 1. Your ad says one thing, but your website says another. Imagine someone sees your ad. It says free consultation. They click on it with excitement, but then they land on a plain homepage where there is nothing mentioning of free consultation anywhere. No button, no form, no nothing. What happens next? They feel confused. They will think, wait, is this even the right place? And in just 3 seconds, they'll leave. This is called a trust break. The ad made a promise, but the website did not keep it. Here is the solution. Make sure your landing page says the exact same thing as your ad. Same words, same offer. If your ad says free consultation, your page should have that in big, bold letter right at the top. No confusion, no detour. Number 2. You are targeting the clicks but not the intent. Not everyone who clicks on your ad wants to buy from you. Some people are just curious, some are students doing research, some are even looking for a job at your company. If your keywords are too broad, you are paying for all of these people, even the one who will never buy anything. To solve this problem, use close keywords and build a negative keyword list which tells Google, don't show my ad to people searching for these keywords. Every week, check what people type to find your ad and block the one that don't make sense of your business. Also, focus your money on keywords that show real buying intent. For example, emergency plumber near me is much stronger than just plumbing tips because one person wants information and the another wants help right now. Number 3, your offer isn't strong enough to make people act today. If your ad or website just says contact us, it doesn't mean a real offer. It's just an option. And people don't act on options, they act on reasons. To fix this problem, give people a real reason to take action right now. This could be a free code, a limited number of spots, a guarantee, or even just a promise like we will call you back within 10 minutes. When people feel like there is a reason to act today, they are much more likely to actually do it instead of thinking, I will come back to this later and then never coming back. And the number 4, your website looks nice, but it's hard to actually take action on it. A lot of business owners focus on making their website look pretty, and that's great. But sometimes, in all that design, the important stuff gets buried. Maybe your phone number isn't visible without scrolling. Maybe your contact form has 12 character fields to fill out. Maybe the Book Now button is hidden somewhere at the bottom. Every extra step you add is a chance for someone to give up. To fix this problem, keep your website simple. One clear button, one clear action you want them to take, and make it as easy as possible. Number 5. You are not tracking what actually matters, and so you are flying blind. If Google doesn't know a call or form fill is a conversion, it will keep spending your budget the same way, click after click, with no idea what is working. To fix this problem, set up call tracking, form tracking, and where possible, offline conversion imports so your data reflects real business results, not vanity metrics. The sixth number reason is you are not following up fast enough with the leads you already have. Here is something a lot of people miss. Getting the lead is only half the job. If someone fills out your form or call you and you don't respond quickly, they will likely call your competitor next. There definitely speed matters. A 5-minute delay could mean losing sales forever. To fix this problem, try to follow up within 5 minutes if you can. And for people who do not convert right away, set up a simple remarketing campaign. This means showing them your ad again later as a gentle reminder to come back. The reason number 7 is people don't see anything that makes them trust you enough to buy. Think about it from the customer's side. They found you through an ad. They don't know you yet. There is a question, so why makes them feel safe choosing you over someone else? In your website, if there are no reviews, no clear pricing, no explanation of why you are different, and no guarantee, there is nothing reducing the fear of making the wrong choice. So they will leave and go check out someone else instead. To fix this problem, add trust signals exactly where people are deciding. This means reviews, testimonials, a short why choose us section, and clear next step could be included. The goal is simple: make them feel safe saying yes to you. So, if your ads are getting attention but no results, the fix usually isn't spend more. It is closing the gap between what you promised and what you deliver after the click. I am Asma Islam Humaira, your Google Ad consultant. Follow me for more data driven ad strategies. Thank you.